Xiaomi is bringing the Redmi Note 17 series to Malaysia on August 18, 2026. The lineup will also include a new top-end model, the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max. Xiaomi confirmed in the teaser that the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max will feature a silicon-carbon battery with up to 10,000 mAh capacity, equipped with 100W hypercharges wired fast charging, sport a flat 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of up to 3,500 nits. Powered by Qualcomm's 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset, coupled with an Adreno 812 GPU, the device achieved 924 points in the single-core test and 2,923 points in the multi-core test. An in-display fingerprint scanner. The Note 17 Pro Max is also expected to feature an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel main camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back, a 32-megapixel front camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.